Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today, I am going on my first test drive on my 1983 Suzuki GS1100E. And I have been getting this thing ready. In the last episode, I started it up for the first time. And so I am getting geared up right now, and we are going to take this bike out on the road and see how it runs. So this is just going to be a short shakedown run, just going around the block and getting comfortable with the bike. We'll come back and do some more tests, make sure that everything is up to spec before we do some longer rides. So I can't wait. All right. Well, you are along for the ride on this first test drive. And everything so far seems to be doing nicely. Everything is smooth. I don't feel any weird vibrations. The tires on this bike are relatively new Metzlers, and they seem to be in decent shape. And I'm just kind of going back and forth a little bit here, getting the feel for things. But I will go up the street and turn around and come back, and we're just checking things out right now. The fuel gauge is working, which is nice. Gear indicator's working. Everything seems to be working quite nicely. And just getting in it a little bit, it has power. These things were known for just awesome, everyday, usable power. Turn signals work. Shifting is awesome, and it just picks up revs very nicely and cleanly. Again, on these test drives, what I want to do is just make sure that everything is functioning as it should, and I really want to go about this very methodically, because I hate getting stuck on the side of the road, or I don't want to risk these beautiful classics just doing something stupid or pushing longer or further than I should when I haven't fully gone through everything. And this is just awesome. This thing is going so nicely right now, but I'll take it back and do some more checks, and I'll probably take it out in a little bit once I check everything back over and go for maybe a little bit more extended ride. But man, can't be happier. I can't wait to do some comparisons with this bike, and that's coming up here. So we'll get this thing ready to rock for springtime. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride. Oh yeah.